number 12, adjectives. Okay. And how much have we done in that chapter?
Question number 1. Number third till we finish.
Chapter 12, adjectives. So we have done exercise, we have started exercise number 1, right? That is what you're saying.
Yes.
And we have completed till what?
In number third we completed.
In number third. What are you trying to say?
Sir, I completed whole chapter. Means whole question.
Oh, not possible.
That whole question that you are doing, no, sir, I have told that I will do it homework. Let's send you.
Question 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So good, Ragi. At least we will have some good teacher with us to solve the doubts. Okay. Boys, just see that in my lecture, at least you answer because in the previous lecture, girls' class was there. They were not answering. I cancelled the lecture and I then told them to do it on their own. It will become very much tough for you if you will do it like this. Okay. So each and everyone should answer me properly. Last warning. Anyways, now we have completed question A, B, and C. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, on the spot, please answer me. Otherwise, I will cancel your lecture also, and I will send any other teacher to teach you. Do you want me to do that?
No, sir,
No,
no.
sir. No, sir.
Okay. So we have completed question A, B, and C in the previous lecture. Now I would write question number D. Please take out your rough books and whatever you need. Textbook if you have, then you can solve with the textbook also. Hassan, is my screen clear, beta?
Yes, sir, your screen is clear.
Okay, beta. Um, I have written one sentence on the board. Shafiq, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, Shafiq, can you read the sentence D I have written?
Okay, sir. Taj Mahal is a historical ma-
Monument.
manu- monument.
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 Okay, so Taj Mahal is a historical monument. Shafiq, can you tell me what is the noun in this sentence? Which word is we can consider as a noun?
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal, obviously, it is a proper noun. Very good. What else? Is there anything else we can consider as a noun?
No, sir.
Okay, then Shafiq, no problem. Then tell me what is the adjective? Yesterday you were there, right, in the lecture, and you also solved one sentence. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, beta. So just can you tell me what is the adjective here?
Monument.
Boys. Is Shafiq right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
No.
sir. He is right.
So the boys who are saying no, sir, is Shafiq very much close to the answer? Yes or no?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Sir,
good.
no, sir. He is right. Monument he is right. No.
Yeah, monument is not adjective. It is not. It does not shows us quality, quantity, nothing.
No,
Sir,
sir. I am not
historical.
saying about adjective. I am saying about noun.
Okay, but I
Sir,
am talking about adjectives. That
sir, adjective. Sir, adjective. Sir, adjective is. Sir, adjective is historical.
Yes, sir.
okay,
Adjective is
historical is
historical.
adjective. Are you
Yes.
sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, why? Why historical is adjective? You should answer the question why. If you are telling historical is adjective,
Because, sir, historical
Sir, can I
describes
explain?
Taj Mahal.
historical describes the Taj Mahal. Are you sure?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
connected with the years.
Yes, I asked.
Sir, he is describing Taj Mahal, but first he is describing the monument.
Exactly. There you are. See, monument means which monument? Taj Mahal. But historical is describing the word monument first. With how is the monument? Monument is historical. So historical word is first. Beta, when I'm explaining you, you should know that you should remain silent. I am very much happy that you are answering me, but that means that I even want to explain other students. Historical word describes monument, historical monument. How is the monument? It is a historical. But what is the monument they are talking about? Taj Mahal. Okay, so directly or indirectly, historical describes Taj Mahal, but here the first description it gives to is monument. In short, historical is adjective. Any doubts? Anyone? Then please ask me freely.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir,
No,
no doubt.
sir.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, but Taj Mahal is only noun, no?
No, beta. No, 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 no. See, Taj Mahal is proper noun because it is a name of proper place. Monument is also noun, no, beta. There are many monuments, Qutub Minar, yes, then Julta Minar.
Proper noun.
So all
Yes.
the historical monuments, many monuments are there. So monument is common noun which indirectly describes Taj Mahal, right? But directly historical monument. So historical word is given to monument, no? Hassan, am I clear, beta, or shall I explain it again?
No, sir, clear.
Okay. Now sentence E. This is the last sentence I'm solving, then you will solve it. And if you have any doubt, later you can ask me because grammar is not to be solved everything on the board. It is what you have to do even practically. Okay. I have written more sentence here on the board. Let me call out the name. Okay.
Sir, I had solved every question in this question.
No problem. Yes, Saf is there.
Yes, sir.
Saf, can you see my screen clearly?
Yes.
Fine. So I have written sentence E. Can you please read it for me?
The magical voice of the singer was admired by all.
What is written here?
Magical
Magical
voice of the
of the
singer
singer
was admired by all.
was admired by all. Okay, great. So, Seth, can you tell me what is the noun in the sentence? It can be common noun also, it can be proper noun also.
Uh, Magical is a noun.
No. How can be magical a noun? Magical can be name of anyone, obviously not. See, let me give you an example. Rohan sir is proper noun.
Yes.
Teacher is common noun. Teacher is the profession. It is a common noun used for all the teachers. So that way here it can be proper noun also, common noun also. I have given you very close hint. Try to find out the noun.
Mm,
You can do it. Come on.
mm, Singer.
Exactly. So here singer is the noun. Is the obviously name of the singer is not, it is not said that Atif Aslam. Then it is a proper noun. But singer is profession. There are many singers. So it is a common noun, but it is noun in short. In adjective, we don't have to see whether it's common or proper noun. Now you are very much close to the answer because you got the noun. Adjective means what? The word which describes the noun. The word which tells us more about the noun. Okay. So which word do you think tells us about the noun singer?
Magical
Good.
voice.
Magical voice. So boys, is this right answer?
Yes, sir. Magical voice is
Yes,
right answer.
sir.
Clap for
Sir.
Saf because he solved it for the first time. Yesterday he was not there. Okay, fine. Mute your mic, everyone. Because we have to only underline the adjective, I have erased this. Okay. So, shall we move towards the next topic? The remaining sentences, please solve it on your own. If you have any doubt, you can call me anytime in the evening. Okay, don't worry about that. I will solve it. But if I solve all the sentence, students, it is not going to be helpful to you. Like in mathematics, if sir teaches you 2 plus 2 equals to 4, that means you have to practice what 5 plus 5 will become. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
still we have solved many types of sentences. Now we have to move towards another topic. Those who are having textbook, well and good. Those who are not having, try to note down each and everything in the rough book. So later when you get the textbook, you can have the note. Even in the exam, if you write in the rough book, you can revise it. Okay, now the textbook is here with me. Okay, now I'm going to write one thing here. Can I clear this first of all? Have you all done this?
Yes, sir. Clear the board.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now we are going to study the types of adjectives. What we are going to study, boys?
Types of
Types of
adjective.
adjective.
I cannot hear you loudly.
Types of
Types of
adjective.
Types
adjective.
of adjective.
See,
Types of adjective.
Types of adjective.
I'm wearing my earphones. Still, I cannot hear you loudly.
Types of adjective.
Types of adjective.
Types of adjective.
Adjective.
Types of adjectives.
I think these are the types in your portion.
Yes, sir. Given.
Okay. So, students, before I read the textbook and all that, I have one very, very easy trick. Can you draw this in your book right now? Yes or no?
Sir, I am drawing only.
Wow. Boys, I'm asking to you all, please answer me. Can you draw this? If I say you have to draw,
Yes, sir.
please
Yes,
draw
sir,
it.
we can.
I'll give you time, enough time. Come on, draw it. Because I have one easy trick to remember these all things. I'll bring my camera in the center. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me again. I will read it for you. Don't worry.
Sir, this trick Khushbu ma'am has done.
I don't know, but usually in the fifth and sixth standard, I have the tricks for every grammar chapter. But only if the boys answer me, I give the trick. Otherwise, I don't give.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
sir, adjective comes in last only, no?
Means
Sir
I did
means
not get
any
your point.
sentence. Sir means any sentence. Means
What do you
and
want to speak?
I ask that, sir, adjectives come only last or between or first?
Anywhere it can. It can be before the verb also, after the verb also, before the noun, after the noun also. Like
Okay,
if I
sir.
say Rohan sir is a good teacher. Now here good is adjective and teacher is noun. So here adjective is before the noun. It can come after the noun also. Like cat is very naughty. Now naughty is adjective. Now it is coming after the cat. So after the noun also it can come.
Sir, Ahodolia is presenting his screen. Hello, sir.
Dolia. See, you people
Hello.
ignore that. You can pin my chat. If you will pin my chat, you will not get any kind of disturbance. As soon as you finish, just say yes sir in your name.
Yes, sir. Nakwiragi Vasan.
Yes, sir. That's all Muhammad sir.
Yes, sir, Ghazi Jivani.
Very good.
Yes, sir. With the
I don't know what the other are doing.
Yes, sir, Hasan Kapasi.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Always there.
Yes, sir, Hasan Kapasi.
Someone's mic is on.
Sir, Ali Asgar Gamer.
Yes, sir. Paryani Muhammad Shafiq.
Just write what have I written here. You can zoom in and zoom out as per your requirement.
Sir, Nakviragi work is done.
Sorry, how much I was you?
5G speed you both are.
Yes, sir, Ghazi Jivani.
Yes, sir, Vidya.
Very safe.
Yes, sir.
What is Rabbit doing?
Rabbit is playing phone.
Okay, someone's mic is on. Please, after you speak, at least turn off your mic.
Yes, girl, mic is on.
No problem. I just will give the three warning and then I'll not sit for the explanation. Okay, now stop writing. Even if something is left, I will give you time. Please stop writing. Fold your hands and sit straight. Only when I ask you the question, you have to touch the phone, otherwise, don't touch the phone also. Because here's something, if you will break my link, I will stop teaching you this topic. Basically, we are going to study 5 types of adjectives here. How many types of adjectives, students?
5 types of.
5 times.
5 types of.
I've written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. We're going to study 5 types of adjectives here. First, quality. Second, quantity. Third, number. Fourth, demonstrative. Fifth, possessive. Let me make it one thing very clear in your mind. Many students till now, in whichever standards I have taught, whether it is 5th or 8th or 7th, I have seen they get confused between quantity and number. They get confused between quantity and number. There is a minor difference there. Or I should even say big difference if you understand it clearly. And I'm pretty sure that by this you will understand it very clearly. Okay. If you understand the black points written down, that means your adjective chapter is done. It is very easy. So, first of all, quality. Yes, I will read, I will explain you again from the textbook. I have the projector ready. But this is the trick which I use usually. There are 3 tricks here. First trick is this. Other trick is also very easy. I'll show you afterwards. Quality. Quality means what? Now, first of all, how many of you have gone to the clothes shop to buy the clothes?
Nakviragi Vasan.
Son, Vidya.
Safe.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Only these many. You all don't go to buy the clothes with your parents.
Pariyani Muhammad Shafiq.
Sir, I went sometimes only.
Okay. Now, when you go to the shop, your mom says that the quality of the clothes should be good. Quality of the clothes should be good. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 Now, what do you mean by good quality? That means the clothes should be good. It should not shrink after the wash. It should not, the thread should not come out of the clothes. It should be good in short. It should not dull in the color. These all are the qualities which generally our mothers, Indian mothers, see while anything she purchases. Quality. It shows how it is. How. When you read the sentence, You ask the question how. If you get the answer, then there is adjective of quality. If I say Nakwi Ragi Bhasan is a good boy, how he is?
Good.
I think
Sir is talkative.
Good.
Very good.
okay. Sir is good. Thank you. So if I say Nakwi Ragi Bhasan is a good boy, how he is good. We got the answer of how. That means good is adjective and it is adjective of.
Quality.
Quality.
Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are clear.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Quantity. Okay, mute your mic. Thank you. Quantity. Now you will say quantity. Okay, when we go to restaurant. Okay, by the way, how many of you have gone to restaurant after lockdown?
Sir, Pajali Shakti.
Yes, sir. Vidya, yes.
Not
Yes,
only
sir.
restaurant, but you can go outside street food also, which you should ignore nowadays. But
Yes, Gazi
I
Jivani.
also eat. Yeah. Okay. So you say that give proper quantity because we are three people. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. You say don't give less quantity, give more quantity. So what is quantity? Can anyone tell me? First, I want to ask you.
Sir, can I say Vidya?
Yes. Sure.
Sir, quantity means I can give you example like
Sure.
the quantity in words little bit more than this
Then you are
Sir,
telling
can
me
I?
the what? Can I? Who said this? Can I? Please give me a name.
Vidya, yes.
Yes. Less, more. Okay. Now, if I give the sentence, um, during in this season, the farmers got more profit. What is the adjective of quantity here?
More.
More.
Why? Because it shows how much profit. Now, if in the sentence, see, listen to me very clearly. If you don't understand this, you will get confusion between the quantity and the number. You have to make it very clear what is quantity here and what is number here. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so here if I say quantity, that means how much. Now to find out the quantity, you have to read the sentence. You have to ask the question to the sentence, how much. If you get the answer how much, then it is the adjective and adjective of quantity. Like I said, during this season, farmers got more profit. How much profit? More profit. So more is adjective of.
Quantity.
Hello?
Quantity.
Yeah.
Adjective of
Quantity.
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 Yeah. Now talking about number. Okay, wait. Out of these two, anyone, any doubt? Please ask me if you have doubt in quality or quantity.
No,
No, sir.
sir.
No
No, sir.
doubt.
No doubt.
See, understand, I am just explaining you basic concept, not in detail. Basic concept, if you understand, details are very easy. Number. Okay, what do you mean by number? Can you tell me? In general English, when do you say number?
Sir, in number we can put any number. Means
Sir, when
sir,
there
I can give
people
the
or
example.
One by one. I will give that to everyone, but you are very much mature and in fifth standard. When one student's mic is on, you should keep it off.
Sir,
One by one.
I gave the example. I drank two glasses of milk and so two is the adjective of number because it
What did you
describes
say? I
how
drank.
many. Sir, I give the example. I drank two glasses of milk in morning. I really not drank, but I am saying the example. I am giving
But did
the
I ask
example.
you? Did I ask you you drank or not?
Sir, you say in all the time.
Okay. So
So
I drank two
the
glasses of the milk, and here
two is the adjective of number because it
why?
describes how many it is.
Exactly. So students, if I see the sentence here, I drank two glasses of milk. It gives us the question, the answer of the question, how many two glasses? Here we cannot say how much. If it is how much, then we have to count in the liter. Okay. But here, if we ask the question, how many two glasses? How many glasses? Two glasses. We cannot say how much glasses. Much is used for uncountable. The things we cannot count, we can use much for that. How much water? I have drank sufficient water. But how many glasses? Glasses can be counted. One, two, three, four, five. So countable is number, uncountable is quantity. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, you are clear.
Please write one more point. In the brackets, I have written above quantity and above number.
Sir, can I give example?
Sir, done with the yes.
Hassan, you want to speak? Yes, you can. And please, other students, like I
Adjective,
said, please be silent. Yeah.
adjective of number. Sir, whenever suppose I ask you that how many students are there in online class, so there is how many, so you count that 1 2 3 4 5 6. You
Very
doesn't tell
good.
name that Sun is there, Nakwi is there. You said all people's count and then tell number. Don't name one by one.
See, people is already plural. You cannot say peoples. People, but you are very much right. Your example is correct. Okay, great. Seth, can you give one example for quantity and number? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you
Okay,
are
what
audible.
happened? Okay, no problem.
No, sir, nothing happened. Chef is not answering.
Um, okay, what do we do? No problem. Let me move towards demonstrative adjective. Mm, one example, teachers shows you demo, right? Demo of how to do this thing or that thing or those things. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you don't remember anything, when it comes to adjective, always remember. I need to change my earplugs. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. I hope am I audible? Hello, just give me the answer.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So here, if you don't remember anything in demonstrative adjective, just remember four words. Nothing else is there in the world. If we say demonstrative adjective, only four words are there. these, this, those, that. That's it. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are clear.
Yes, sir. You are
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, when do we use these and this, those and that? We will see when we are doing that in detail. I told you that this is the base idea. Possessive adjective. Now, your mom says whenever your friend is fighting with you, your mom says, "Beta, don't fight, don't beat each other, you will get hurt." So she shows the possession, ownership. This is mine. When you show that whose thing it is, I have written the question whose. This pen is mine. So what is possessive adjective in that?
My.
Mine.
Mine,
Mine.
because it gives the answer. It gives the answer of the question whose. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt in the basic idea of this?
No,
No,
sir,
sir.
no doubt.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. We are sure.
Yes, sir, no doubt.
Yes, sir. We are sure.
Okay. I tried my level best to explain you in the very simple language. Okay. And this is what the simple language I know. In the very simple language. And this is my simple language.
Hi. Hi. वो
Yes.
बॉटल लगी
Bye,
है
sir.
Bye, sir.
Yes.
बाय सर
Your mic is always on. Okay.